Powerhaus, and today we just finished up another one of our brand new 1914 turnkey engines. This one is going to Don Bennett, and this one will be going into his 1959 VW Bug. We set this one up to make about 120 horsepower. A lot of people will ask us, can we make more horsepower, or maybe they say their smaller motor makes more horsepower than this. Horsepower is just a number. We set these up for reliability and drivability, not for max RPM and horsepower. If we want more horsepower than 120, then we wouldn't work the 1914 at its maximum capacity by putting more compression, more head work, more cam. What we would do is just put a larger CC motor in it and let that one work at a lower capacity to make that power. With today's parts that they have, the new aluminum cases, forged cranks, I mean, we can get away with running a 2300 with you know, you'll see a 2.3, 2.4 Honda motor, and we don't think it's big. So it's all how we set it up, and we set our motors up mild. It's not that we don't know how to make more horsepower, but we use a bigger motor and then work it at a lower capacity. So this one's all finished up. It's ready to go. I'm just gonna run it one more time. We have the dual 44s on this one. We're running the 69 millimeter Scat crank, the 40x35 cylinder heads from Empi. We have the 1 5/8 stainless exhaust. It has the V-band connection to the muffler, which makes it real simple to take the muffler off if you're adjusting the valves. Right now we have our exhaust extraction system on it so we don't smoke ourselves out in the building. This one also has the Billet Serpentine system by MST. Billet valve covers. We're running a 1,700 pound Kennedy clutch on this with a Daiken disc. This will be a nice driver. Don, I can't wait till you get this motor. We'll get it boxed up, shipped out to you. When you go to do the install, if you need any help or have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you, Don, for choosing us to build your motor. We really appreciate that. If anybody else is interested or has questions, we don't quote customer price on social media. So if you want a price, just go to our website. Very easy. You can see combinations, drop downs, very easy to use. If you want to see some of our stuff running, Facebook, Instagram, Powerhaus VW, we have a lot of that. YouTube has a little bit longer videos. Of course, we keep saying we're going to do more, but we're real busy right now too. So if you have questions and after you look at that stuff and you want to know a little bit more, give us a call. The best way to reach us right now, there's only 2 of us here building motors, and daytime, if you give us a call, we'll be glad to talk with you and give you some help on that. Social media messaging, I don't always see. There's so many different platforms. We get those mixed up. I try to do my best to answer those, but best thing to do is call, because I'll answer the phone or answer messages first. Email would be the next best, and then we try to get to the social media. But like I said, those first 2 sources between phone and email is going to be your best choice. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Powerhaus VW. Thanks for watching.